The listing agreement is signed, price set, and photos done. But have you talked to your sellers about concessions? You now have the option to enter concession information at listing entry in Bright. Here are some ways concession fields can be used. Your seller can be open to negotiating money toward the closing costs for the buyer. Enter concessions yes on your listing. Your seller has a specific amount in mind for potential buyer concessions. Enter concessions yes on your listing. Your seller is set on their price and not interested in offering concessions. Enter concessions no. Remember, as of August 14th, compensation cannot be listed anywhere in the MLS, and the concession fields cannot be used to communicate offers of compensation. As Bright is responsible for ensuring compliance with the terms of the NAR settlement, we must enforce a zero-tolerance policy for misuse of concession fields. Learn more at brightmls.com/summer policy updates.